I would like for us to go inside, but that is not the reason why we are here. So if you want a full video or a full vlog on this place, tell me and I'll take you guys inside and we talk about it more. But today we're just exploring, we are just having an adventure. Yeah. So our next stop, we are going to take the U-Bahn 1 to Pratashtern. So let's go. You see how this place is packed with people. Everybody is coming to see this place. Most of them are tourists. Most of them are students from another country or maybe another city in Austria, and they are here to see the tourist attractions. It's always like this. This place is fully packed every time I come here. Yeah. So let's go. So we actually going to this direction that is on the right. We are going to Pratashtern. So let's go, let's go. We are outside of the Pratashtern Bahnhof, that is the train station, and as you can see, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. But there's one thing that I want to show you guys. Let's go. So I wanted to give you guys a view of this place, and I wanted to say if you want a full vlog of the park, yeah, write in the comment section below. So we come to an end of today's video, and I'm glad you guys traveled with us. I'm here to read and relax. I'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at nana_ajagram. See ya.